All right, so you got Jonathan here, and I'm here with Danny here at OVO-TECH USA here at the second annual Antojo expedition here in Long Beach, California, in the Long Beach Convention Center. And we're going to talk about our OVO-TECH UDTJ-10 semi-automatic egg centrifuge. As you can see here, the reason why this equipment is very pertinent to this show, anybody doing any egg processing, it's going to save them 75% on labor, and also 20% of that egg mass, you're going to be able to save that as well. This is going to dry out the moisture inside the shells. As you can see here, Danny, you're just taking these eggs right here, pumping in on top of our automatic egg centrifuge, and it's spinning using jet propulsion technology. And as I discussed earlier, it's NSF and ETL compliant. So with our grade of stainless steel, which is non-magnetic, you're actually not going to be able to contaminate this with any mold or anything like that, okay? So not only are you saving on labor, it's also a health safety product. And the bottom line is your labor is going to be cut by 75%, okay? Very easy to clean. As you can see here, you just lift this lid up. You have this bowl inside here. It's going to come off. And then you would just take the shells and dump them right out every 200 eggs. As you can see, all parts are dishwasher safe, okay? So you can use a soft hose or put it inside the dishwasher. In 10 minutes, you have a clean egg breaker and you're back to work again. All right? Any questions for me?
Need a lot of eggs, bakers, and
Absolutely. Bakers, taquerias, anybody doing breakfast burritos, you name it, farms. It's all there, okay? So, well, thank you very much for stopping by the Freshly Squeezed and OVO-TECH USA booth. We appreciate your time, and you have a great rest of the show, okay? Thank you.